Scared to travel on your own? I know what you need. In 2008, before we even knew we'd start a business, my best friend Jane and I went on a backpacking trip to Eastern Europe. We were enjoying a hike on the mountain when suddenly Jane slipped, fell, and injured her lower leg. At that moment, we learned how hard it is to travel abroad when you don't speak foreign language. If we had known how to call emergency ambulance service or ask for help in Russian, Jane might have saved her leg. Also, doctors didn't have her personal health records readily available in her language. There were so many fails. She survived this trip, but it was also an eye-opener. Emergencies can happen anywhere. So how can we stay safe while traveling? After a lot of discussion, we had this incredible idea in our heads. What if we create a long-lasting, portable translator, which you can simply put in your pocket during your time abroad? After months of redesigns, we were running out of money. We had to choose, either place an order of the translator that we had or run out of money before production. Imperfect seemed better than non-existent, so we placed our first order for 100 translators. It led to 18 sales. People who bought the translator loved it. Our reviews were good, which proved to us that our initial hunch that people would want an instant translator designed specifically for safe travel was right. We kept going. In the fall of 2016, we relaunched with a new website and redesigned our product. Sales picked up immediately and kept growing. All the hard work started to pay off once we had a product worth buying. If you speak to people in their own language, it goes straight to their hearts, and it can also save your life. We created ENENCE Instant Translator with this idea in our heads. We want people to come closer, understand, and help each other. So, how it works? Simply press the button, speak, and get the voice translation in 1.5 seconds. This revolutionary device enables you to communicate in 36 languages around the world and makes your experience abroad way safer. The chances of facing language barrier while traveling overseas are reasonably high. ENENCE Instant Translator can help you in many vital emergency situations. Plan your next trip, and don't forget to get your ENENCE today. Click here.